Jule, I'm Sumaira Shafi. I've just recently joined as the Under Secretary for the Youth Services and Sports Department. It's a great honor for me to be part of this department for personal reasons, for interest in sports, as well as the fact that Ladakh as a union territory is growing as a sporting area and a sporting region. Especially when we talk of the Climate Cup, which is happening behind me right now, the final is happening between Delhi and Rajasthan, Sudeva team and Rajasthan FC. The purpose of this Climate Cup, which was incepted 3 years back, this is the third edition, is that we sensitize people about the climate and the changes that are coming about in the climate through sports, because sports is a medium which is very potent medium, and it is an important event for us because Ladakh has a very fragile ecosystem. So इसलिए हम ज़्यादा focus climate, and with the message we're sending this football cup with a message to the rest of India. It's a great pride for us that first, when we started with the first edition 3 years back, we had 4 teams. Then it grew to 6 teams last year, and this year we have 9 teams, including the Rajasthan and the Delhi Sudeva team, which are like excellent teams playing really well. We have a massive crowd of students who we are trying to send a very good message to through these T-shirts and giving them like reusable bottles, making them understand the importance of reusable bottles and going plastic free, first of all. And we're not using any plastic during this event. We're trying as far as possible not to use any flex boards or any plastic of any form. And we are growing each year, and I hope next year it's going to be even bigger.
तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो किस तरह है यहाँ पर यूटी बनने के बाद आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को किस तरह देंगे?
So आप सबको याद होगा कि पहले यूटी बनने से पहले we did not have this AstroTurf. So it's a good message that we're sending, that after inception of the UT, we have a turf like this, or stadium like this, where we can hold events like this, which is a great matter of pride for the whole UT and for the people, because this is a public space, and during the evenings and during the mornings you can see a lot of people practicing for marathons or for any football matches they want to play locally. So जो infrastructure है वो definitely UT बनने के बाद increase हो रहा है, and we are also planning to make this stadium even bigger. We'll get more stands as we get more funds, and we also hope to hold more events and bigger events.
तो आप यूथ के लिए कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे जो इस तरह की जो स्पोर्ट्स में जो शौक रखते हैं उनके लिए कुछ मैसेज?
Ladakh is unique in the sense that because we are at such a height, we are adept naturally to sports. So we have more lung capacity, as you would all know. So I feel Ladakh is a region which holds potential to bring about a lot of other sporting people, be it football, be it marathoners. We are doing really well in marathon, and we have the Ladakh Marathon coming up soon next week. And I've seen people participating in ultra marathons in France, in Chamonix, in Thailand. So I feel Ladakh has a lot of potential to build the youth and sports. And through this building of youth and sports together, we can also send the message of sustainable ecosystem and climate change to the rest of the world, as well as to India specifically, to the locals also, because we need to understand the importance of sustainability through sports.
तो वुमेन्स का किस तरह आप इसमें देखते हैं? स्पोर्ट्स में काफ़ी सारी वुमेन्स जो है अभी बॉयज़ के साथ जो है यहाँ पे जो फुटबॉल हो, आइस हॉकी हो, जो भी स्पोर्ट्स हो उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, तो वुमेन्स का इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कितना ज़रूरी है?
Just yesterday, ironically, like I just flagged off for senior national team for football, the girls team, the women's team, which has gone to Amritsar to play a match there. So it was very heartwarming to see a women's team going to that level of matches. I feel Ladakh has good potential because equality of both male and female sports needs to be focused on. And Ladakh में जैसे आप जानते हैं, जो हमारा women's team है इंडिया का आइस हॉकी का, it's all Ladakhis mainly. So women पे हमने equally focus किया youth services and sports ने, and we try to invest in them as much as possible. जितना funding दे सकते हैं, जितना support दे सकते हैं, infrastructure support हो, funding हो, या जो भी हो, I feel we should equally push for women and men, and I feel Ladakh has that great potential to get more women sports person at the national and the international level.